Hello, oh, whoops, there's no make it. There we go. Hello everyone and welcome into yet another live stream. And today, I'm in a good mood. Let's ruin it. Hi. Hi the Beakers, hi the Terry, hi, welcome. And today, first we should start some music. How about that? I feel like it's a good place to start. Just play some music. That's way too quiet. Let's turn down because of the engines from the last live stream. There we go. And now, multiple files and not all the music I have. All of the making music I have. There we go. So, hi the Beast12, hi, welcome. Now, today we will be doing some coding. Oh boy, let's ruin my good mood indeed. I like coding. It never works, but I like it. Oh, where's even my main screen to share? I'm sorry? Apparently this is it. There we go. Repurposed. I don't know we repurposed the main screen share. There we go. So, first of all, let's build, because off stream I did try to integrate the FT system library, whatever you want to call it. I actually am not quite sure of its library. The point is I wanted just to read fonts. Right here I have a font. I want to read it and that's it. The problem is we're running into the usual problems when trying to do anything in C. Use any external code, which basically means linking and including. Okay, there we go. Now the stream is ready. So, define FT throw, we're error undeclared. Okay, so FT error prefix invalid stream handle is undeclared. That's in FT debug.h. Okay, no problem. I'm certain the issue would be just that we included FT debug, but we didn't include something else that's important. Which means that if I go right here, I should find FT to build H. Did I include it? I don't think so. That would be my guess at least. FT, are we including FT anywhere? We are including FT to build, we are including it. Shucks and dagnabbit. Alright, so FT debug. Prefix invalid string handle, do you mean FT error invalid stream handle? They do look similar. Oh no. We just need to... Okay, I guess we'll just need to start in the beginning. Thank you, Make It, for making that video on your second or third video. It's full of such people who make fun of you. Oh, that I want to be science communicators, but that's one like you. Well, I was really happy to make that. Well, I just needed to make that video. That's what I just... It genuinely is just sad in my opinion. And it's awful how people just yell at each other these days. It's not great. But, well, be the change you want in the world. I'm pretty certain someone... I saw that on a t-shirt once, so that's what I'm gonna do. What planet's this? Yeah, I think Earth, last time I checked. But maybe they changed it, I don't know. I haven't been exactly following up on the DLCs of the solar system. Maybe developers added something crazy, I don't really know. Alright, FT what? What am I even including? That's a good question. We're including free type. Free type font loader. I'm pretty certain we're including this, or at least trying to. So 2.13.3, that's the one I downloaded, yes. Release notes. Can I get like a quick tutorial on how to include everything? It's not that I need it, it's just that I do need it, because... Documentation? Must read for a new... Well, I suppose if it's must read and I should read... Oh, that's so many! No! I'm just trying to include, I'm not there yet. Free type Toro, how about including Toro, because we're kind of lacking. When we build it, we're including, we are adding FT system, which sounds important, that's good. Builds Windows, so right here, then builds, then Windows, then FT system C. Oh, but we're not adding FT debug C. That might be it. FT debug. I knew it was too easy. Alright, let's try it again. Just to see the errors. No, we're having the same exact issue. Okay, well. Overview. Software for engineers design be small, efficient, highly customizable, portable, recycle the output, yes. As you see, should be command with any compliant C or C++ compiler. Taking great care to eliminate all warnings when compiling with popular compilers like GC, Visual C++, or Borderline C++. Do I need to compile? That's one thing always confused me. Why do I need to compile things which I want to statically include in my project? Always confused me because I just don't understand the reason. Can't I just include the files themselves? Clearly not. So learning relativity was too Stanford lectures. How do you like it? Or maybe it's because I'm not including all of these. Free type H. Am I including free? Wait, am I even including free type H? FT to build. I'm including FT to build. Oh, what if we instead include free type slash free type? How about now? Okay, so the answer was no, of course, not. Okay. Good mood, I'm gonna ruin it. No need, I'm already doing it myself. You're kind of late. File including from free type H, FT debug H, FT system C, FT stream openness. Oh boy. I mean, I could just include all of these. I guess that's why we're building the files, but fine. Let's try building it. Fine. What are you coding? I am coding like an it's a long story. Let's go up and into a SDK and then into free type and then into builds and then make CMake. Yeah, CMake. Okay, good. I have CMake. Great. Does not appear to contain a CMake list. That makes sense. I'm pretty simple, just in the general build place. And I'm pretty certain we just need to go to... Ah, this is great. SDK type. Builds and then Windows, right? No, it's Windows. Now right here is CMake. No, there's still no lists there. No, we do have gcc.mk. What are wait, is that like a build file for? Oh, is that like a build file? .mk files. Is that like a build file for What is .mk file? Okay, so I need make. Fuck! I don't have make. Make for Windows. Like video on relativity in tachyons and we've got the same idea, right? Like the most recent Kurzgesagt's video is basically just my video, except with like higher quality animations and less math. It's so funny. It really is. But I was first. I would just like to take my credit. I was, I think, 1 day early, so you know. I'm not saying that I'm better, but I am. Yours was more interesting. Thank you. I mean, Kurzgesagt... okay, Kurzgesagt mostly made a video on tachyons, which are really cool and are the main reason for I made my video. Autopatch. No, I don't care about autopatch, I care about make. Yes, make. Make. May I... Is there make? Make download. Use a mirror if possible. I'll try, but... Oh wait, make for Windows is a separate thing, isn't it? Last change 2006. Part of social experiment, you ask Kurzgesagt. I'm just Kurzgesagt from the future, traveled into the past. Yeah, I'm Mr. Kurzgesagt. From the dream files. Do I really need make? Can't I do it without the... I love it when... You know what, hold on, maybe I can figure this out myself. I mean, how hard could that possibly be? Yes, I trust the authors, fine. Right here we have GCC make, which includes this, and then this, and then this. Okay, how hard could that possibly be? Oh boy, this would be fun. Alright, let's try it. Let's try building it. I can do it. It's easy. It's easy. It's not valid. Oh yeah, because of that makes sense. Build. Okay. So what we basically need to do... Just have a... Hi, the Code and Craft. Hi, what a coincidence. I just happen to be coding. Not quite crafting, but coding. Alright. So, we have top directory builds Windows Win32 dev mk, this. Then we have, what else? Then we have, keep this. Builds compiler GCC, which is in a completely different spot. I'm bother spelling, it's fine. We all got what you mean. It's alright, I'm also awful with spellings. Oh, C, and then SDK. And then free type, and then builds, and then compiler. These are all make files. I don't have make. Can I compile make files using compile and make project using CMake? I don't like when people set up things with CMake or make. How do I use CMake? Can I use CMake to make? Finally run make. Wait, so it is CMake. So it is CMake. Okay, so I don't need to try. Never mind. Delete this. Ah, it's so easy. Simple. CMake. GCC. Ignoring extra path from command line. Okay, cool. Directory is a file, not the directory. You need the directory. Okay, fine. CMake Windows. Ignoring extra path from command line. It's kind of crucial. Can make it use CMake to make. I mean, I really am. Fine, okay. Does not appear to contain CMake list. I know. Can I make without a CMake list? CMake without a CMake list. It's like a C. I know it's CMake, but is CMake list like a? Is it like really necessary? Oh, no. Without CMake list, yes, yes. Can make. Build external binary library. I have a project of CMake where the binary library only has a make file given. Kind of what I'm looking for. Do I really need to build this? Hold on. Windows. Retype Windows binaries. Yes, please. May I? I'm not really looking for well, I guess. Wait, didn't I already download binaries once? Or am I crazy? I mean, I am crazy, just that... Yeah, I did! Yes, I did, in fact. Hi there, Sirius. Welcome. These static libraries will only work with Visual Studio 15 2022. What if I, like, don't have Visual Studio? And what if I only have code? Can we somehow make that work? Can we somehow make it work? It's not that I need it, it's just that I do need it. Okay, and now the includes. Alright, where's the includes? We include right here, sweet. Cool. Let's try it. Haha! Permission denied? That's curious. Permission denied. Hi, the Tefta. Hi. Isn't it curious out of the all possible errors that my linker could get, we get a permission denied error. Hi, owner of the machine here. You can access this file if you want. Like, you know, you're more than welcome to. Make it merry walk around. I don't know how copy works. Oh, free type. Hold on. First of all, free type. Type. Lib. Okay, positional parameter cannot be found that accepts argument y. That make its merry walk around. Free type lib. Okay, well, I'm lost. I am honestly and truly copy, if you wouldn't mind. First of all, we're not even building the file. Okay, well, that's certainly a bit of a pickle. That actually could have been it. Has to be as admin, right? No, I feel like the problem is that I told my GCC to compile a folder. Whoops. freetype.lib. I suppose there is no need for a walkaround. Yeah, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. I'm not on the knife. Ah, there we go. That's what I was expecting. I'll try to get more knowledge relativity before relativity video drops so that I can understand it better. I mean, ideally, when my relativity video drops, ideally I would explain it properly enough so that no one would need to get any external sources, but that is probably a good idea considering my track record. I really feel like explaining relativity using in 2 dimensions, using third dimension as time is just a solid way to first try. Okay, a security cookie. We've been into. Okay, hold on. I had this error before. Oh my goodness, I don't remember how I fixed it though. Correct. First of all, that's a bit of a red flag. Corrupt rective at the end of dev file. It's fine, I can make it. I must. Who will if I want? Let's just look up the error. Warning. Corrupt dot reg at end of file. Ah, Stack Overflow, my beloved. Linking error. Yeah, it's actually my exact problem. The correct link to follow for deal for Coblox is correct setup. Oh, come on, Oh, wait, maybe we actually Oh, we might have just forgot to link something. That's a possibility. Oh, that's such an obvious possibility. Yes. What do you need? If I may ask. Just... What do you need? Or should we just go for free type? Okay. What would you need? No, this is wrong because we're looking in that repo. Also, don't go full screen on me. Free type. Not issues, code. Really? Repositories. Free type, sweet. By the way, why am I also not logged in? It's a bit odd. Now. We could just start including random libraries. strategy which may sound silly, but it has worked for me in the past, so... Okay, security cookie. Undefined reference to security cookie. That sounds like a missing library. Yes. Which one? Yeah. Buffer overflow. Like that sounds. Yep. Microsoft. I guess. Suppose that's a fine source. Process H. Let's try it. You know what? At this point, I'm willing to try anything. It makes sense. I know why I was expecting an include to work, because it's a link problem. Do I need to link process? I love working with libraries in C. I love it so much. It's great. It's fun. It's fun and I love it. Okay, first of all, let's clear this so we can get just like a single output of errors. That didn't help. That didn't help in the slightest. Okay, we're still missing security, which I mean makes sense, yeah. It tends to happen when it's a link problem. Am I supposed to just build it with GS? No, no. I mean, that should be there. GDI 32. Okay, let's try it. Do we have GDI 32? We do have GDI. Damn it! It's not it then. Damn it. Okay, it's fine. OpenGL 32. Oh, we have OpenGL 32. It's fine. One of them will have to work. Okay, this is incorrect. This is correct. What's the difference between them? Oh, this one has... Oh, this one has GLW3, this one doesn't. Am I linking 3 type? Whilst... No, that doesn't make much sense, does it? I made Vsauce today. Really? Good for you. How? When? I'm getting kind of desperate. Let's just switch these around. Wow, it didn't work. What a shocker. Maybe kernel 32. Maybe that's what we're missing. Okay, maybe we're missing, I don't know, user 32. Maybe that's what we're missing. Okay, maybe I don't know, this is what we're missing. I know that like I know this is about GLW, not free type, but can I use 64? So he told me to stream a few hours and told me to remove my... What? Hi, the Caspian. I'm doing fine. I'm doing just fine. I'm doing just fine. I'm fine. I'm in Go. It's not quite what we're looking for. Also, let's remove all the unnecessary libraries, which we just included because, you know. Okay, so GS in GCC. Enable GS in GCC. That's GCC, GS. Now I'm looking for buffer security check. Buffer security check. You sound like you're going to say anything you want to play. No, I'm fine! I'm fine! Okay? To enable buffer overflow. I think it might be quite the opposite of what I'm trying to do. Like, disable buffer overflow. Just enable the security check. Enable stack buffer overflow. Quite the opposite, and also Windows, not Linux. He's going insane. I'm not going insane, I'm fine! It's on by default. I beg to differ just for Visual Studio. Buffer security check. In Windows GCC. I don't think that should be. That's such a. No, it can't be the problem, can it? It might be if they compile with GC actually. No, compile option. It's not 3 years. I'm trying to. Just. Too much overload work. No, fine. Company needs a field of it. Listen, everyone, we're doing just fine. All I need to do. Listen, look at this. Look at this. All we need to do. See this output. All we need to do is fix it. That's it. That's it. That should be our last step. Let's try GS handler check. Maybe that will give us a vague idea of what's happening. It is yes. Okay, GCC on Windows. How the fuck do I enable GS? Just asking for a friend. You know, just wondering. Just thinking out loud. Just curious. GS. Okay, this is Visual Studio, and I'm not using Studio, am I? So, with all due respect, my beloved operating system company just can't. I'm fine. Most sane person who codes. Most sane C programmer. Okay, so the problem. Can I just like link? Can I link something like this? No. No. I fixed it twice already. How did I fix it? At the very least, a similar error. But one thing we can always do. OMKT multi-app, whatever. GS always has been. I am so fine. So unbelievably fine. Okay. What are we including? What are we linking in this case? We're linking GDI 32. Okay, we don't need OpenCL, we don't need Vulkan. We already linked GDI, we already linked user, we already linked kernel, right? Did we link kernel? I'm pretty certain we didn't. I mean, it's kernel 32, so unless I'm way off, they were not really linking kernel, it doesn't matter. The point is, GDI 32. We're linking GDI 32 twice in this case, so no. Can I like link GS? That would be such a yeah, that's exactly what I was expecting. GCC. Maybe we just need to Windows GS compiling C. Okay, so it's called buffer security check. Predicts the following items. Using command line in Windows, yeah, but we're looking. No, but yeah, that's really basic thing, and that's not quite what I'm looking for. So buffer security check. What we want is we want to enable buffer security check on GNU compiler on Windows. That's what we want. It's what we want to do. The option MSVC is not the right compiler. I guess I could use it, but that would require me to switch completely to a different compiler just for the single reason of I'm fine. Okay, how about just buffer security check and GCC? How about these two? Oh, we have a couple. We have a couple. Whoa. When building with Visual Studio. No. Stack guard for GCC when application with GS accounts for message warning. No, I'm just having actually when I'm trying to fix this, it's a bit different, isn't it? GCC, GS handler check. That's what we're trying to include. That's not GCC, is it? User local lib. What? That's okay. C make G make files make build. Okay, this looks like my kind of problem. Cannot link 64 static library. Ooh. GCC build A. Okay, so I basically need to use 30. I see. Nah, Windows. How I hate you so. .lib is only on Windows, isn't it? Windows binaries. Not really quite care about Windows binaries. Like, because if you build Windows libraries using... Yeah, if you build Windows libraries using Visual Studio, then you kind of screwed them up for me a bit, ever so slightly. Unless we link... Wait, do we have 32? We do have a 32. Okay, let's just link a 32 one. Simple as it could be. That's such a dumb fix, honestly. That's such a dumb fix. Okay. Oh, that's such a dumb fix. I love it. Let's go for it. FD init free type. That's what we're missing. In init C. My init C? Might be in my init C. Might be because we're linking it twice. No. Why is init C still a problem though? FT init free type. Undefined reference to it. Okay, we're getting somewhere. They're not included. No, they have to be. Maybe they're not. No, still not included. Okay. So what we would like to do is we would like to utilize the amazing wonders of technology that we have access to in this current day and age. CD right here, code open, and just straight up look for FD init free type. So code has this amazing function where you can just look for something and it finds it, freetype.h. That's where we have it, which means we should go for freetype h. And that, wait, why is it still struggling? Undefined reference of FD init free type. Correct me if I'm wrong, but ooh, no, it's not there. It is there. FD driver? I guess. Let's include them all. Might as well. FD driver H. Okay, it's not there either. Call this function followed by a call to FT server's calls. Okay, so what? No, these just have examples. It is free type H. What do you mean undefined reference? What happens if we remove this? Didn't help. I see. Oh. Are we linking the right thing? I mean, including the right thing. Yes, we are, okay. Shucks. Why is this reference undefined then? That's fine. I'm pretty certain we're already linking free type. Or maybe we're not, maybe we're just building with it, that might be the issue. Hey, link this. So like, link this. Might be it. I don't fear women now. I actually fear for women which you really broke my heart. Yeah. I don't know exactly what that case, but based on the name, well, doesn't sound all that great. How I am calling all this dumb, I myself don't know anything. See, listen, recognizing that you don't know much is a sign that you're actually pretty wise, so don't think of yourself as dumb. Just realize that others aren't idiots. Then that in a more positive direction. Not knowing anything is, well, first of all, it's not like you don't know anything. You do know a lot. It's that you don't know about most things, like most people. Most people don't know about most things because there's a lot of things to know. That doesn't really make you dumb, that just makes you human. So don't think of yourself as dumb, just respect the fact that people don't know much either. Like me, for example, I don't know how to get this to fucking work. Skipping incompatible free type lib when searching for free type. I'm guessing it's incompatible because it's 32 bits. But if I switch to 64, then we have a problem because GCC cannot link 64 bits. Is compiled from VS Code. I mean Visual Studio. What's this problem again? Different rust. Precisely. I'm actually glad you learned that. That's actually quite rare. I'm really impressed. I want you to know that I appreciate you actually learning. It's impressive. Most people just stick. Usually, most people are like afraid to change. So, shows you're brave. I am struggling with this. Of course, we know what the problem is, just that would we fix it? Okay, maybe let's go for XD, because I'm pretty certain. I'm sorry, really? Not something the right way. As I mentioned, don't focus on the past. Focus on the fact you've changed. What matters. Whoops, did I crash my file explorer? Actually, pretty bad thing on Windows. Okay. Now we have built windows. No, we're looking for. Okay, what we like to do. We have CMake list. Okay. Oh, Visual Studio. No, don't build for Visual Studio. Please don't. Can we build for anything else than Visual Studio? Okay, that's a bit of a problem. MSVC. Okay, that's also a bit of a problem. Trucks. Hi, Zorjay the Third, welcome. You became someone as most intelligent global people I know are more egoistic kind. Well, the thing is, what you have to realize that when it comes to intelligence, we really often like to think of it as a spectrum, like a single value, you know? Some people are more intelligent, others are less intelligent. But in reality, intelligence is possibly the most complex, one of the most complex, if not the most complex property we've ever found. And so, assigning that most complex property out there to a single value is rather silly. So you can't really think of people as more intelligent or less intelligent. You have to realize that there's no such thing as a more intelligent person or a less intelligent person. There's just people who happen to be better at some stuff and worse at the others. Just because someone is really good at talking doesn't mean that what they're talking about actually makes sense. Just because someone is really awful at communicating, that just doesn't mean that, you know, what they're communicating about has to be meaningless, and so on and so forth. That's why when you find someone who seems intelligent, that does not mean they are intelligent in the way that you think of them. So I guess what I'm trying to say in an incredibly convoluted way is be careful of, in quotes, intelligent people out there, because most people are not generally intelligent in everything. Really difficult thing to get. Slang format, GC. Do not trust smart people. No, rather realize that there is no such thing as someone who's just smart. You're more likely to be smart in a different way than just smart. That's why, for example, we leave the medicine stuff to doctors, to medical doctors, and we leave the physical stuff to physicists. Because, you know, they're smart at different things. And I myself couldn't even name anyone who's just like truly generally smart. So when you have someone who's a medical doctor, take medical advice from them. When you have someone who's a physical doctor, take physical advice from them. But don't mix and match. Just because someone's good at one thing doesn't mean they're good at another. It's a really common error, actually, which happens in societies nowadays, where just because someone has a title, they are given way more credit than they should get. And it's honestly a pretty worrying trend. Using GIMP, I suppose. Cool. Wow, what a great file. Can I open it with, I don't know, Notepad or code? Actually, I can just open the code right here, I suppose. Hi there, Akshat, welcome. Tests x, g, and u make is equal to x. Backward compatibility. I mean, like the fashion, etc. Because that activities are product of family, I hate them because like sociability standards. I don't like sociability standards either, if that's any consolation. I don't like the fact that this has become a norm. Because I think there's nothing wrong with cosmetics. If people want to look a certain way and we have like the technology and the things to allow them to look a certain way, let them look a certain way. But what I don't like is the fact that it's becoming a social standard where you have to look a certain way or else you're like considered ugly or something. Musically headed. Oh, Akshat, you should really keep up with those live streams. Devil, hi, I'm on Windows. Oh, it's Bash, I see. CMake listen. Can I just get like a single CMake toolchain file and then, oh boy, festive. Can I just get like a single command doing this, preferably? Because what's the point of having CMake as such an... Never mind, maybe I can. Environment variables. Oh boy. Environment variables. CMake D. I would much rather. I don't know what GCC I have. But I'm pretty certain I can just do version, right? Oh, I love technology. Okay, now we can do CMake dot the CMake compiler is equal to GCC 12.1.0. In-source builds are not permitted. Didn't I already do that and it worked? Oh, unless the dot make... Okay, the dot might have screwed up. Binary provided, both will be assumed by the maker. Right, E builds. Okay. What do you think about Minecraft Future Update, which they improved? I haven't been keeping up with Minecraft recently, if I'm to be honest. I was a bit distracted. Huh. I don't like CMake. Wait, so can I make CMake or can I not make CMake? Can make it CMake make. How did I build this then? I already built it before. How did I? How did I do it? It wasn't CMake dot, was it? No. Okay, so CMake cache remove, directory CMake files remove. Can I build? Oh, I see. Okay, so what we want is we want to go back to this, except remove CMake files, remove CMake cache, and then build. So the problem is clearly not this. The problem... Well, I mean, we can try to fix it this way, I suppose. CMake E make directory build CMake E directory build CMake dot dot. I don't like CMake. I really don't like CMake. It's fine, however. It's not. It's so very not fine. I'm fine. I just need to... All we need to do is just... Can I build it, by the way, if I just build it normally, like if I delete the CMake files, if I delete the CMake cache, if I just build it like a normal person. No, we still run into problems, okay, I see. What if I build it again? We still run into problems, okay, cool. I'm not mad, I'm furious. So, let's try this again. Will it work? No, it won't. Of course it won't work. Why would it work? Builds. There's a make file for GCC in there. I'm sorry, what does the make file for GCC do if it doesn't let me build with GCC? No, compiler. Wait, no, it's the wrong file, it's the wrong folder. This one is the wrong folder. I'm struggling. Yeah, I'm done. I give up. Next time we're just going to... I don't know. I'm just... We won't use tree type. We'll figure out something else. It's fine. It's fine. We just won't use free type. We will figure it out. Can I build it now? No, because in its C on 7th we have FT library FT, which makes sense. But now we build it. Now we go to build client main exe. If we run it, look at that! Whoa, we have our thing which we set up last time. Whoa, we can change between the two logos and then we can move around. I'm going to find something for fonts, but that will take me a while. I am done for now. Hi, I'm done. I don't like working with libraries. I really don't like it because it's hell. It's pain. It's suffering. So I'm gonna go now. Work on videos because I would much rather. And for now, that'll be it. Sangska, I'm really proud of you and keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great. And for now, I suppose that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching and have a great day.